Imagine making stunning posters in seconds. No Photoshop, no Canva, no hiring designers. Just type and boom, AI makes it for you. Sounds wild, right? Well, welcome to the future, because today I'm about to blow your mind with how ChatGPT can generate posters like magic. In this video, I'm not only going to show you how this works, but I'll also put it to the ultimate test. We'll create posters for different real-world situations, from a nightclub event to a business promotion. And at the end, I'll show you how you can do it yourself for free. Let's dive in. So what's the secret? It's simple. ChatGPT now allows you to generate custom posters just by describing what you need. Let me show you how. Boom! Just like that, ChatGPT creates this stunning nightclub poster. The neon colors pop, the text is clear, and it looks like something a professional designer spent hours on. And guess what? I did this in a few seconds. This is perfect for small business owners who need quick and eye-catching marketing materials. No more waiting for a designer, you can generate these in seconds. And for content creators, this is a game changer. This thumbnail was made in seconds. No more struggling with design tools. So, how can you do this? It's easy. Here's how you can generate your own AI posters right now. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and describe what you need. Be specific with details like colors, themes, text, and ratio. Step 2. Let the AI work its magic and generate a stunning poster. Step 3. Download and use it however you like. Now that you've seen ChatGPT's insane ability to create posters, what do you think? Are you ready to try it yourself? Comment below what kind of poster you'd create. And if you thought this was mind-blowing, wait till you see this next video where I show you how to sell AI-generated album covers on Poster My Wall and turn your creativity into cash.